Hola. I'm here with Duffy's engine. We're doing just a little stuff before World Cup. Really, Egger's doing some stuff before World Cup. Want to make sure that the rods stay in the block pretty much. So we're here right now. Excuse me. I'm grandma status because it is like super rainy out. Rain. See? Chanclas. So it is exactly, I think, we have 3 weeks. 3 weeks until World Cup.
November, yeah, 3 weeks, 3 and 4, 3.
Yeah. The car is in one piece, almost. We just have a couple things we have to do, right? Just, oh yeah, a couple things. Man, my chancla's getting all sticky. What am I stepping in? Mineral spirits here?
No, that was the Hylamar for the head gasket.
Okay, so we'll update you. You'll see all the other stuff that we've been doing. And here's where we are, 3 weeks from World Cup. I think 3 weeks from World Cup.
We always want to turn it up to make more power. But our concern was when we reach that point of turning it up to make more power, at what point do we find the limit of the rods? The rods that were installed were doing what we wanted them to do at the power level that we were making. So we were already past the manufacturer's suggested limits on the rod, which was 250 a cylinder. And we were seeing more than that at the engine, if you do the math. So it's only a matter of time before hitting World Cup, because the DA is going to be negative 3 million and it's going to make all the power. We don't want to find out while we're racing how much they can hold. And we also don't feel like tearing up the dart block. So, that being said, we tore it down, did kind of like a quick inspection, see how everything was living. We swapped out the rods for the Cali's Ultra rods, which are good for well over 2,000. In a 6-cylinder application. So we're going to run those and a couple small tweaks to the engine and let her fucking eat. When we make 60 pounds at World Cup, the rods aren't doing injective seating, because we have to rather just do it now, get it done and out of the way, and then that way we can come out strong early next season, where usually we're scrambling together to put a fucking motor together.
We're trying to take the block apart when we want to take it apart.
Yeah, not when it wants to come apart.
So that's where we are now. Everything's pretty much the same. Obviously, we still need to finish slapping this John together.
Yeah. Hopefully we get this thing wrapped up and then put inside the car tonight.
Oh yeah, you got your street car running.
Yeah, I did. I mean, there's still tons of work to do to it, but I managed to slap some shit together and get it running. So we'll see what happens with that.
Say hi to JP.
What up?
Cliff's car. Almost done. Miss your face.
Duty cycle off.
It's fine. We can just see what it does.
You got axle?
Did I bring anything?
There we go. So yeah, so we'll see you at World Cup because I doubt I'm gonna get another video out by then. I'll try, but I suck at that every time I say this. Also, wait, don't go. Tell them thanks. Wait, no, wait.
Like and subscribe.
There we go. There's one more thing I wanted to say. Oh, the website. I know I've been saying this too. Soon we'll be selling some parts on there, so check it out and just, you know, give me like good vibes so I can get this shit done. Okay, thanks. See you guys later. Bye.
Spray wax is a long way.
I thought he had a sensor on. That shit fucking got on it. Holy shit.
If I ever wanted to fuck around, do some stupid shit, I would cut the whole floor out of this, and then I'd put
It's gonna need
roll cage in it.
no matter what you're trying to do with it, it's gonna need the floor cut out.
Yeah, right. Little
Yeah.
2J, little power
Already
glide,
happened,
little 8-inch rear, and this would be a no prep car, because if I slammed it into the wall, I wouldn't care.
Oh, speaking of slamming it into the wall, his frame is tweaked.
Yeah.
Look at right here, it's buckled.
Drift life,
shit.
bro. Oh yeah, wow, it is.
That thing's buckled pretty
It's
fucking
broken
good.
too, right here. See it? See, it's all cracked.
Yeah,
I can
it's
stick
because
my
it's
finger in it.
separated right on the
Wow.
seam. What the fuck?
They just got hit on that side, apparently. Maybe they pulled it out and just that's where it got to. You know what I mean?
Yeah, because it's been all welded here, look.
Yeah.
And then re-seam sealed.
A little frame repair. Alright, a little frame repair ain't gonna hurt nobody.
Oh yeah, what the?
That's that drift life, bro. Sometimes you push your rim into your frame,
Holy
bro.
shit.
John's cooked, babe.
But you cooked it.
Cooked them. Cooked them good. Turd. Yeah, his car's quiet.
Compared to the other shit we did, yeah.
You mean my brake coolers aren't working?
To be fair, these are the same pads and rotors you've had on the car since before the
This is true.
brake coolers, so they're not unfamiliar to being cooked. But yeah, no shutdown with a $160 will definitely be cooking shit. Not that I'm expecting these to be like the greatest brakes in the world. But,
No, there were no brakes. There were no brakes. They were just there and then not. Right. Alright, I guess I should get to it. Making like the best videos ever.